Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 35 from IIT JAM 2020 Mathematical Statistics. This is a question from MSQ problems, that means section B from section B. So in this type of questions, we are given four options, and among these four options, one or more than one option can be true. Okay, so we need to find all the correct answers in the given option to get the full marks. So let's try the problem. Consider a sequence of independent Bernoulli trials with probability of success in each trial being 1 by 5. Then which of the following statement is or are true? The first statement is expected number of trials required to get the first success is 5. Suppose define a random variable x is equals to number of trials to get the first success. Okay, hence the PMF can be written as probability x is equals to small x, which is nothing but p q to the power x minus 1, where x is equals to 1 2 dot dot dot, where p is the success probability and q is equals to 1 minus p. Okay, now we need to find the expectation of x, that means 1 by p, and by the question the success probability is 1 by 5, hence 1 by p is equals to 5, that means option A is correct. Now let's check the next option. Here we are told that expected number of success in first 50 trial is 10. So define a random variable x such that number of successes in first n trials, okay, therefore the PMF probability x is equals to small x is nothing but a binomial PMF, that means NCX p to the power x q to the power n minus x, where x is 0 to n. Therefore the expected value of x is np. Now by the question the number of trial is 50 and the success probability is 1 by 5, which results in the expected number of success in first 50 trial is 10. Therefore option B is also correct. Now let's see the third option. Expected number of failures preceding the first success is 4. Now let us define a random variable which is number of failures preceding the first success. Preceding the first success. So this is nothing but a geometric random variable, hence the PMF is p q to the power x minus 1, where x is equals to 0 1 2 dot dot dot, and the expected value of x is q by p, where q is equals to 4 by 5 and p is 1 by 5, which results in 4. Hence option C is also a right option. Now let's see the remaining one. Expected number of trials required to get the second success is 10. Define a random variable which define number of trials required to get second success. Number of trials required to get second success. Now suppose this is the second success. which come at xth trial. Okay, that means there are already x minus 1 trials in which we have one success and x minus 2 failures. Now the PMF can be written as x minus 1c1 number of failures q to the power x minus 2 into p and the last success multiplied by p, where x is equals to 2 3 4 dot dot dot. Hence x minus 1c1 q to the power x minus 2 p square, where x is equals to 2 3 4 dot dot dot, and the expected value of this negative binomial random variable is r by p, where r is equals to number of success, which is 2 here, and the success probability is 1 by 5. Hence the expected value of the number of trials required to get the second success is 10. Hence the option D is also correct. So here all the 4 options are correct options. So we have solved this problem, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.